check. Here's how we register fingerprint, password or card to the new smart lock VD910. Here first of all we press star hash, then verify the administrator. The password is 123456, then press hash. Okay, here first of all add user, press 1 and press 1 for admin. Here is the admin finger, card and password. First of all we add the finger, then to add the finger press this button and then see approximately 5 to 6 times you need to scan your finger, then your finger is registered. Okay, and also for add the card plus number 3, just you can generate here your administrator password like 123654, minimum 6 digit, then hash, then input password again. Now your password is also registered. This is for the administrator. For the when you add first 1 or 2 administrator persons, then the second option is also coming, add user. When you come back in the setting, see on the add users, here first of all written only one, add administrator. When you add the administrator, the second option is turned on for the users. Press 2 to register your finger. Just press 1 to register your finger here, see, and user cannot eligible to go into the setting, only the administrator is eligible to go into the setting. Now user finger is added. We are going to add the card of the user. Just press 2 number and swipe your card here. See, the card is also added. After that you need to generate the password for a user. Just press 3. Here you can put any 6-digit number and then press hash and also put it again. Now it is also successfully added. To checking the user, see, I am administrator. I can also open the finger and also I can open the setting of the smart lock and by putting the administrator password. Just press star hash, then you verify your finger of administrator, then you go into the setting, and user cannot go into the setting. User can only open the lock. See, fail. User cannot open the setting, only admin can open the setting. User can only open the lock. Okay.